Coloring a windmill. Hello, my little friends. How are you today? I hope you are feeling happy and excited. Today, Bunda Suci is going to color a windmill. Look at this windmill. It has big blades that can spin round and round. Do you want to color with me? Come on, let's color together. Let's choose some bright and happy colors. Red, yellow, blue, or green. You can use your favorite colors and make your windmill look amazing. Now, let me ask you, do you know what a windmill is? A windmill is a tall building with big blades on it. When the wind blows, whoosh, whoosh, the blades spin around. Windmills are very helpful. A long time ago, people used windmills to grind grains into flour. Today, windmills can make electricity. That means they help give power to our homes, lights, and schools. So cool, right? Did you know? There is a country called the Netherlands where you can see many windmills. They are very famous and look so beautiful in the fields with flowers. All right, my little artists, let's finish coloring our windmill and make it super colorful and pretty. Wow, your drawing must look wonderful. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe, okay? Good job, everyone. See you in the next fun video. Bye-bye.